Caribbean Connections TV.
Paradise.
Paradise.
You can catch
That's
us
your
on
name?
Yeah.
That's your name? That's
Yeah.
sexy.
You
Don't
think
tape
so?
on it. Don't tape on it. All right. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm here with Handsome Ki. What a
Handsome. I like-
cutie
I like
pie.
Handsome.
Yeah, you like Handsome? So how long have you been singing and performing?
I've been with the band GMC Triveni for 5 years now, but my father has owned it since 1993. So
Oh, your father owns the band.
it's in the blood.
So you didn't have to audition to get into the band, did you?
It's not. I got off a bit easier, but he gave me a hard time growing up though to make sure I was good enough to get into the band.
So you've been around the band since you were growing up.
Of course, I have been.
So it wasn't that easy to make the transition from
I was
behind.
born in the band room.
You serious?
I think so. I would tell me. So what's up?
Okay, that's wonderful because I love your voice. You have a very sweet voice.
Thank you very much.
And you're a really good performer, and I love your style.
The mohawk. Check it, the blonde.
I know. Check that out. Isn't that neat? And,
Yeah,
and,
but-
and you wear it well. It's not easy to wear a blonde mohawk. Okay, so what can we expect for you from 2010?
Well, GMC Triveni actually right now finishing Caribana. We're here for 2 more weeks. We're heading we're heading to Washington on the 29th, to Liberty Carnival in New York, back to Trinidad for 3 weeks, in which we go to Guyana within that 3 weeks, then to Miami Carnival, and then you know what? We have a tour with the notorious Kanchan and Babla. We have a tour with her husband and her kids because she's deceased now, but we're doing it up, and then Carnival 2K10 coming up. We have some big songs coming up. Expect some big collaborations. GMC Triveni with some big artists. This year we had Triveni and KMC. We had Triveni and Sherwin. Yeah, before we had Triveni and Bungie. 2 years ago, Sidiki Margaret. So you know what? Just like, look out for us. We're gonna be everywhere. We're gonna be up in your face. That's what I say, right? Plain talk, bad manners.
Wow. Okay. So for all the ladies out there, they want to know, what would a romantic evening be like with you?
A romantic evening. I have a question. Before I answer this question,
Yeah.
if I do have a girlfriend who's looking by chance, would she like take me down? Like how would she take me down after she saw this?
I don't know.
You know what?
You don't want to risk it?
Search up the group JMC Triveni on Facebook and message me. I'll let you know how that goes. A romantic evening.
Well, when you spend a romantic evening with her, how does that go?
Oh God, how do I do it? She drives. I'm just kidding.
You want to
Oh,
that out?
You put them on the spot.
Well,
you know
that's what I do.
Romantic evenings are nice. I love dinner. I love lasagna. I love pasta. I'm a pasta guy. I like wine habits, but I love tequila as well.
Do you cook?
Of course I cook for my lady. My lady, young girls today, I think can cook.
Yeah.
Don't take it the wrong way.
Well, I can cook. I don't mind.
Mommy always taught me growing up, her exact words, quote unquote. Yeah, I don't want to be like all them other fellas who can't cook, say I don't cook, no. So I grew up learning to cook. So anyways, my lady likes that,
Okay.
if I do have a lady.
Yeah, wonderful. Well, we really enjoy your performance, and we'll be looking forward to it. And if we want to look you up, is there a website or anything? We can
Just
look
check me up on Facebook, JMC, the figure 3VENI, JMC 3VENI on Facebook. You can check it out. You could also add the group, The Congress of the Guys, the COG. It's big on Facebook right now. Check it out. We love you guys so much. Look out for JMC Triveni. Thank you to all the fans, all the supporters, all the friends, all the family, for everybody for supporting us and keeping us who we are right now today. Love you. Thank you to Caribbean Connection, everybody in Toronto. Island Mix, we love you.
Thank you.
Peace.
Great.
We had to come back on to do this. Oh God, it's sexy.
Oh,